Okay, YouTube, all of my family, welcome back for part 14. This series is very interesting, guys. Yeah, I'm glad you learning some. I know some of you post some comment in the comment box. I'm glad, and I'm glad that will help me to push forward, to move forward. Thank you. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, and I want you to do so, click on the thumbs up icon, click that, smash the subscribe button. Okay, do it right now. Do it. All right, welcome back for part 14. Now we're on part 14, and this is what we are going to do, guys. The first thing we are going to do now, as you can see, we log in. We log in. We have a logout. Okay, we have logout. But we should be able, if you click on logout, as you can see, we have logout.php, and this page is blank because we don't have create a logout.php file yet. Okay, we should be able to, we can log in, but we should be able to log out as well. Okay, now I'm on this is part 14. I'm going to create a logout page. Also, I'm going to create another file, which is the account. If you click on the account here link, if you click on it here, let me show you. Let me zoom this. Oh no, okay. Let me leave it 120, 25. Okay. If you see here, we have accounts.php. This page is blank as well, but we have to create the link to create the account. But inside the account, let me go back. When you click on account, inside of here, what you will see, a link to create account. Also, we will create a search bar to search the user inside of the account. If you get a lot of users, and you should be able to search, you don't have to go to page after pages. Okay. Also, we will create our page number 1 and so on, pagination, and we have to, and inside account we will set the result, our number of result per page. If we set it for number of result 20, 15, 10, and so on. Also, we have to next we have to display, okay, we have to handle our success messages. When we create account successfully, we have to say that. We have to say we should see that. That's a message that says account created successfully. Also, when we update the account, we have to see the message that say that. Also, when we delete the account, and so on. And next, we have to retrieve inside of the account.php. We will retrieve the total number of accounts. Okay, and we will I said that yeah. Also, we will set the search bar. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do, remember what I told you. The first thing, I'm going to create the logout page, logout.php. Okay, now let's go. Open your code editor. I'm using Sublime Text. Okay, open your code editor and go to, I want you to go inside of admin folder. Okay, right click on admin folder right here and click on Control S to save it as logout.php like this. Okay, let me put it here. Let me zoom. Okay, to create logout page, guys, it's easy. Okay, the first thing you create, you said PHP tab. Okay, and the second thing, you create a session. You have to start the session. Okay, I'm going to say session underscore start. It is right here. Click on it. Go to next. Now, once you create the session start, you have to destroy the session. Okay, let me add some notes for you. Destroy the session time. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to say session destroy, like this. And then after destroying the session, I have to redirect the admin to the login page. Okay, and let me add to the login page right here. And to do so, we are going to say header like this and single quote that it requires us to add a string. Now I'm going to say location. Now I'm redirect the admin to the login page after logging out, and I'm going to say location colon space to the login.php, and then put a semicolon at the end. And then this is how we move this up. Okay, this is how we create our login logout.php. Go ahead, go to file, save all, and go back to our browser, refresh it, and now because we refresh it, you can log out. Click on log out. As you can see, login.php here. Now I'm going to log in back. Okay, now okay, it's running. Okay, now all right, that is fine. I'm going to log out again, log out, and then log in back. That's fine now. Okay, okay, now okay, the logout works fine. Okay, we're done with logout page. Okay, now next, let's create account.php, which is right here. When you click here, account.php, I'm going to copy this. Okay, and then go back, open your code editor. Let's go back inside of admin folder, right click, new file, Control S, and then paste it right here. Now we have accounts.php. Click on save. Okay, now we have account.php, and the first thing we are going to create, I'm going to create the account link, and then I'm going to create the form. By the way, the first thing, the form. Okay, and then we need the content header for that, and also we have inside the form we will create the form, and then we create the search bar inside of it. The first thing, I'm going to right here, div. Okay, and I'm going to pass the class, call it content header responsive flex. I'm going to move this over and bring this a little bit down, guys. I know you will be able to see. Okay, for the column, and call it pad top 5. Okay, now next, next, with an anchor tag, I'm going to call this one because we need inside of accounts. I'm going to create another file called account without s.php. Inside of this account, this is where we will display. When you create account, inside of account, you will see everything. Okay, create on one page, and then you will see the result in another page. Okay, now account.php. Also, and here add a class. Let's see. No, remove. Let's see. Remove class and bring class here. Okay. Yeah. That's for the button, and then this is where I'm going to create the link. When you click on it, you will open a new page to create the account. Okay. I'm going to call it here. Create account. Okay. All right. And what I can show you guys, if we save everything right here and go here, refresh it, click on account. As you can see, we have account right here. Okay, you have the link. If you click on it, it requires us to get account without s.php. All right. Okay. Now if you go back, or we can stay right here if you want. Let's stay right here. Okay, let's go back, and what we need next. Next, I'm going to create a form. Okay, bring this down. Now inside the form action, leave it blank, and then we need a method which is get. I'm going to use get instead of post. Okay, because for the search bar, I create the form for the search bar because we get not post. You have to get. We need when we're searching. All right, now create input. I'm going to hide this. Okay, and give it a name. I call it page. Yes, I should get a value. I call it account. Okay, now go inside now. Oops, we need a div. That this is where we let me zoom this class. Okay, we call it a search, and we need a label as we create a okay, this is I'm going to label. I'm going to call it this label is for search, and then bring this down like this. But because we create a label, we need an input for that, and input this is a type text, yes, and we need the ID. I'm going to call this ID search as well. Input ID search type text. We need give it a name search. That's this name. We will use it inside of the PHP. Okay, and now we need the okay, let's continue. After search here, we need I'm going to add a placeholder. Okay, and make this smaller a little bit. Okay, placeholder, I'm going to say search accounts 1 2 3 that. Okay, and then okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the PHP next to it. I don't want to just spend time. And then okay, let me put it this way. I'm going to go here, space, all right, add a value, and this is where I'm going to pass my my PHP. What I can do next, I can click here. Let me show you. I click in front of our placeholder, bring this down. All right, bring this down, and I'm going to use HTML. Okay, I'm going to use HTML. Yeah. Special char. Okay, and as the same search for name search, put a $sign here, and this is where I'm going to use and quote right here. Okay, and let's see, bring this closer, and let's see. Okay, now we have this, we have this. Okay, let's see. If we add a class right here, guys, let me see. Okay, I'm going to add a class. I'm going to make it responsive. Okay, I'm going to make it responsive. I'm going to make it responsive. Okay, I'm going to space. I'm going to small. I'm going to add a class over here. Okay, and make this, sorry, I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to add a class and then click here, bring this. Now I can, okay, now it's okay. Zoom it. Okay, now I'm going to call this class responsive. Okay, for the give it a width of 100. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now this is where I'm going to add the icon to click for the search. Okay, class search like this. Okay, let me bring this up. Okay, if you save everything and now we go back. Okay, now we got an error message. Okay, undefined variable search. Okay, now we have undefined variable search. It's not defined yet. Okay, now let's continue. What I'm going to do is to check, make sure that this if the account role it's equal to admin. Now I'm going to start adding my PHP code. Now I'm going to check to see if the chat account role it is equal to the admin. Now I'm going to start adding my PHP from here. Okay, I'm going to say PHP. This is, I'm going to use if statement here, and I'm going to say session. Okay, this is what I'm saying, chat account role. If chat account role, okay, right here, space equal single quote to admin, and put a colon here. Okay, now else, the else statement should go after this line right here, line 5. Okay, right here, and to add it else, I'm going to say else like this. Okay, oops. Okay, and let me push this. Should stay like this. Okay, and then here I'm going to close. Okay, this div, close it here, and this is this is because I use PHP if. I use if statement. I have to close the if, the end if with the inside the PHP. That's what I'm going to say, end if, like this. Okay, all right. Okay, now if we save everything, go ahead, save everything. Let's see what we've got. Okay, now we have an error message on line 4. It says undefined variable session, line 4. So we try to access offset. Okay, line 4. Let's go back. This is line 4. We said that PHP if, okay, session chat role and so on, session chat account role admin. Okay, now next thing, because we don't, let me show you something. We don't see anything. We don't see the dashboard anymore. Okay, we don't see the dashboard anymore. Okay, let's add it. To add it, this is how we're going to add to see what we want. Okay, I'm going to say we need the template admin header, and then to add the template admin header, we will get it from the, let me open main.php. If you open main.php, we see chat account login for the admin, And this is where we got all the detail, everything pretty much going on inside main. And this is where we got the account. Okay, you have the account. This is where we want to take the account, capital A account. Let me show you. Started from, we got the admin link. Remember, admin link template dashboard started right here. Okay, I'm going to call it inside main.php. Okay, to do so, go back to account.php, and I'm going to add it on top of it right here. Okay, I'm going to say add PHP. Okay, right here, like this, and I'm going to say this is the template. Oh no. Okay. Let me remove this. Like this. Template admin header, like this. Okay. Now the first thing we need account. This guy right here, because we need account.php. This is where I'm going to call it. Okay. Inside the template admin header, account.php. That's how we got the link right here. Account. Okay, that's the first one. Let's go back. I'm going to say single quote account. Okay. Space, single quote again, and then go back to main. This is where I'm going to, because we got select account right here. Copy. Okay. Go back. Paste this guy. We need the, okay, that's 2. It's supposed to be 1. Okay. And space. Also, we have to view everything. Okay. Now, save everything. Let's go back and refresh our browser. Okay, we still got undefined template admin header on line 3. Let's see what's going on. Line 3, we got template admin header. Okay. Now, we don't see it. Why? Remember, main.php, we have to call main. Okay? We have to call main.php. We said it, we not meant to add it. Okay. We say PHP right here. I have to include, okay, main.php. Okay. Now we have main.php. Save everything. Let's go back and refresh. Okay. Now we got it, but we got the link. If you click here, you got account. Okay. Now we have the search, but we still got a message. We'll fix that. Okay. All right. Next, now we have our main inside. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, we need the, we have to work with the title account. Here, we have the link, but we don't know what page is that. We need I'm going to put account here on top of it here. Okay, to do so, I'm going to say div, okay, and add a class called as a title, okay, content. I call it content title, and for header I use h2, and I call it account. Okay. Now if you save everything, and you save everything, you go back, you refresh it. We should see it right here. Okay, let me see. Okay, now we got a view account. Okay, create account. Okay, but we should see account right here. Okay, let's go back. We have the okay, that's style. I don't put T is missing. Okay, that's why I put that on the title. We forgot to add T. Okay, save everything. Let's go back, refresh. Let me clear the car. Let me clear clear browser data. You have to clear last hour. Okay, clear and refresh. Okay, now it's logged. See, now go back. It redirect us to the login page, which is good. Let me log in. Okay. Okay. Now and then click on account. Okay. Now that's why we have view accounts and then we have create account. We get them these two sub from main.php. Okay. This is content. Yeah, content title account div h2. Okay, which is fine. Now, okay. Next thing, what I want to add, guys. Let me scroll down a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. We did a message success message. Okay. Now, or what I can do next, I can add the URL for the search bar. I'm going to add the URL for the search bar, but before I add it, we have to work on the success message. Once we create the account with a message that say, okay, the account was created successfully, and so on. Okay, but the first thing, let's add this right here. Let's add it right here. It's supposed to be inside. Let's add it inside of our PHP. Okay, let's add it inside of our PHP. Okay, now this is where we have to work with the success. Call it success messages. Okay, I'm going to use the if statement. If this is a PHP opening, closing, okay, and I'm going to use the if statement. If, okay, get success message. Okay, if you get the success message, all right, and if as well, if get success message, the first message, success message equal to 1, okay, and then the first message, okay, the first one should be success message. This is our first success message. We wanted to say account created successfully, like this. Okay, all right. Account create successfully, and then this is one block of code right here. I'm going to create another if statement. All right, and what I can do, I can copy this block of code and then go here, paste it. Now I'm going to use, that's 2, second message, same line of code, account. Now for the update, okay, now I'm going to say account updated successfully. And now for delete, I'm going to copy this line, this block of code, and go the next line, paste this one right here, and I'm going to replace these two deleted, like this. Okay, all right, we have the, okay, this is that's fine now. And then next, now this is where I can call, or I can determine add my URL for the search bar, and then how to do it. And this is the, I'm going to say my This is the URL. This is how you do it. URL, okay, equal like this. But don't forget you're working with account.php. All right, like this, and then question mark for the search like this. Equal. Go here, space, dot, search. All right. Okay. Now, next, what we are going to do, remember? Now, we do everything like this for the success messages, and then we add pass the message. Okay, what we want to display on the top, and then now we want the PHP on top of the link where it said create account. Okay, create account. All right, go here where you say account. Let's go down here. This is where I'm going to pass. If it's a success message, we have to how we want to present our success message. So the form we want to present it. We are going to make it look nice, and to do so, I'm going to say PHP, okay, like this. I'm going to use the if statement. If, okay. Now I'm going to take the success message right here, copy, and paste this guy inside here. But don't forget, we need the dollar sign, okay, and colon. We don't need this. Oops. We don't need this. We need the let remove this. Okay. Now this is fine. Let's go to the next line. We need a div. Now bring this div down. Now call it class message. Success right here. All right. Now I'm going to I wanted to present when you say right here, account created successfully, and then we have to say the added on a circle form like this. Check circle. Okay. And I'm going to add a line where the PHP here for the now this is where the real message will display here. Okay, a success message right here. Okay, and here okay, now also we have, don't forget, we have if statement. Every time you open an if statement, we have to close it. All right, and we have to close it with PHP. Let's close it, PHP. I'm going to say and if like this. We close it now. All right. Now if we save everything, right here, and let's go refresh our page. Now we have account.php, but we have unexpected if expected this on line 27. Let's see what's going on line 27. Let's see success message like if. Let's see, it's PHP. Oh, okay. I want you to remove the equal sign, okay? I want you to remove the equal sign in front of PHP, guys. If you don't put PHP, you should get it like this. Remove the equal sign in front of PHP, okay? Because line 27 and line 23, I want you to remove the equal sign here. All right, save everything. Let's go back and see. Okay, we go back. Yeah, we will fix this. Don't worry. We have account. That's account should be on this side. Let's see what's going on. We have div content title supposed to be on top. I don't know why it moving on the other side. Okay, we will fix that. Yeah, we will fix that. Okay, next, what I'm going to do, we add the success messages. We now, what I'm going to do, we are going to let's see what we have. We have the form, div. We add the template. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, we have the template and then account that which. Okay, we have the link right here. Here we have to push this over here, and now we have the let's say, display the success message. I can add a oh, okay, right here. Okay, and this is the URL for okay, a search bar. Now what I'm going to do, guys, next I'm going to retrieve or add. I'm going to retrieve, okay? I'm going to retrieve the total number of accounts. All right, let's retrieve the total number of accounts. All right, let's retrieve the total number of accounts. Okay, let's do so. Retrieve the total number of account. I'm going, let's go on top of success messages. I want you to go, let's see, it should be inside of our PHP. Okay, here is PHP. Opening is the closing PHP. Okay, opening PHP, closing PHP. Okay, and now let's go on top of success messages. Message right here. This is where I'm going to create. Okay, I'm going to say, remember I told you, let's retrieve, okay, the total number of accounts. To do so, I'm going to use statement. Okay. Now, this is where I'm going to select count. As total from my table called, remember we have a table called account A. Okay, where okay, but let's say if search I'm going to use let me use a bind use by param. Yeah, okay, for the search this is not and let's see if I'm string. Yep, okay. And and remember we got a statement. You have to execute that statement. Okay. Now, okay. Now, we need for the account total. Equal and grab statement and fetch for the column that have everything in it. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, this is where I'm going to use a SQL query to get all my account from the account table inside of our database. Okay. Let me add a comment for you. This is where I'm going to call try to get or not try to get all. Okay, a query, call it this way. It's a query. Oh, come on. A query to get. Okay. Let me put it this way. That's fine. Keep it simple. Query to get all my account from the account table inside the database. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to use statement. Okay. Now a select count. From messages, table messages. Okay. Also use a where account ID. Okay. A.id. All right. Go here, space, as messages total from account. Okay. Where order by use order by here. Okay. Okay. And I have to limit okay, I have to use limit start result for a number result right here. Let me make this smaller. Okay. We need a limit. Okay. Colon start result, comma, colon, and number result s, and right here. Okay, this is this right here. This is this block of code. Okay. Now I'm going to bind params everything right here. If let me skip one line. Okay. Okay. And let me add a comment. I'm going to let's bind param everything right here. Use statement. No, like this is how. No, this is, yeah, I said it, but I don't. Yeah, okay. Use a start result. Okay. This is I'm going to use param1 and PD. This I'm going to use param int. Okay. Now we need a 2 line. I'm going to copy this line and paste it, make some changes. The first one we got start result. Remember the second one, we should get this guys right here, number of results here. Copy, paste it here, and instead of 1, add 2. Then PDO param, and this is fine. Okay, let's continue. And this is where I'm going to use an if statement. If we search, okay. Now, if we search, okay, we don't need to remove this. This is our if search statement. All right. As we bind param them, search param3 string. Okay. Now we have to execute the statement. Okay, and let's see, execute the statement. Okay. And then now this is where I'm going to say account equal, okay, this statement where I have to search for everything, all. And I'm going to say statement that's fetch all. Okay, I'm using using a fetch all instead. Okay, this is use okay. All right, now this is what we got so far, guys. Okay, what we want to do next? Okay, we retrieve the total number of account. We retrieve the total number of account. Remember, we use the where clause, and for the admin, the chat account role as an admin, because we use the where clause to retrieve the total number of account. We don't do anything yet with that. Okay, it's like probably if you want it, probably get a message that said we do not define this. The where right here we should define it. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to copy the where. Okay, copy and go on top of this and paste it right here. Equal single quote. Now it's good. Okay, now this is where I'm going to say if statement, the chat account role is equal to admin, and then where search for the email full name. Okay, And I'm going to say use the session to do so. Okay. Yeah, the chat account role, it's equal to admin. And this is where I'm going to pass my code here. And this is where I'm going to say add the where search. Don't know yet. That's a question mark. And email like. Okay. Search or full name like. Search. Bring this here, colon, single quote. Okay. Else, this is where I'm going to pass my else statement here. Okay. Else, same where. Search. Email like. Search or full name. Okay, now here I'm going to use and like a plus. That wall is equal to equal to admin. Okay, equal to admin, and then this it's supposed to be yeah, we got equal, supposed to be let's see this line, this is the where. Yeah, we need another. Okay, yeah, and then now space. I wanted to go here, put a single quote for the where. Bring this. What I can do, I'm going to bring this down and make this bigger. It's not gonna be any issue for that. Okay, and let's double quote admin and bring the single quote like this for the semicolon. Okay, that's what they were. All right, next. Okay, we retrieve the where, and then now next, what I want to do, guys, and let me show you something. If we go save everything, we save everything, refresh the page, we got error message. Now this is where we got the undefined variable search. Okay, undefined. That's a PD line 13 video. Let's go back to see line 13. Oh, okay. This is a P. That's a 0. That's a PD. Oh, let's see. This one is okay. Yeah. Remove and go back. Refresh. Oh, now we got more. Okay. Uncut exception. Okay. order by, order in search, undefined variable search, order by, order in, or searching. Okay, 6, 14, 20, 6, undefined search, 14, the same search, 20, statement, video, on line 20, we got order. Yes. Now, line 20, where we have order. We have order somewhere. Line 20, select order by. Okay, yes. Now let's work with our code and fix the order. Okay, because we said undefined order. Okay, let's work with that undefined order. All right. Now for the order, we have order by column. We have to order by column, and to order by column, let's go ahead and scroll up. Okay, I want you to right here. Okay, and then this is where I'm going to order by column. Okay, and use order set right here, get, okay, order, and okay, now use get order. Okay, want to use by descendant right here. Okay, and ascendant. Okay, now and then next, this is where we are. I'm going to add now. You said add, you can add or remove, okay, the whitelist array. You can add them or remove them, okay, and you can add or remove them by, I'm going to say add or remove the columns, column white. Put it this way. This is a whitelist array. Okay. To do so, and then that's why I'm going to use order. Okay. This is where I'm going to use order by whitelist. Oops. The first thing is ID, a second email, and then the full name. Word, last scene, single quote. Okay. Status, registered, messages. Oops. Remove this. Make it smaller. Yeah, I'm trying to make it smaller for you guys. We have registered messages. No, that's messages total. Okay. Messages total. Messages underscore total. not messages. Yeah, put it total like this, and remove this. Put a semicolon at the end. Go to the next line. Okay, and see order by. Okay. Okay, this is the order by. Let's work with that. Get. Okay. Get order by. Now, go here. In a way, use this is a get. Okay. I want you to remove this. Go here. Still using order by and order by whitelist. Okay, now get what? Order by whitelist, get order by, and user ID get order by. You said get order by, okay, and order by, and from here, okay, ID. Put a semicolon. All right, put a semicolon, and then let's go. Okay. Now let's go ahead and save everything, guys. Let's save everything. Save, go to file, save all. Let's go refresh our page. Okay, now we got only one line. Unexpected this, unexpected colon on line 5. Let's go back in line. This is line 5. Order, he said get order and get order. Okay, what's wrong with that? Oh, okay, let's see. ID. Order, he said order. Listen it. Okay, we forgot to add something here on line 5. Let's see. Forgot to add something. Let's say equal descendant. I wanted to put question mark right here. Also question mark space, single quote. Put same thing again, and then move this closer like this. Okay. Save everything. It's supposed to be like this. Save everything. Refresh the page. Oh, undefined search. Wow. 1422 undefined search variable search. That's it. 1422. This is where we have search right here. Undefined search. Yeah. Okay, undefined search. Yeah, we have to define search. We have to work with search. Okay, because we have our error message 1422, also 34. That's why you got video exceptions right here. Search. That's why we had 14. We have search. 22. Yes. Okay. Now for the search, this is what happened. Let's see. Go here on the main. Okay, we have to search because we have search. You have to search, but we have to get the search bar. Search everything that we search. We have to define search. Okay, to define search, this is how I'm going to define search. Okay, let me add. Keep it simple. I'm going to say define search right here, and I'm going to say search. okay, equal set. All right, let's bring this closer. Okay, remember because we said get, we're working with get, search get the search. Okay, that's the question mark, and get search like this. Okay, this is how we do it, simple like that. Okay, save everything. Let's save everything and go refresh the page. Okay, now we have syntax error on line 37. Line 37, what kind of syntax error? We got statement, execute statement. Okay, let's see, line 37. And then let's see on top, we have a statement. Let's see, string, search. We got statement, search. Let's see, we have statement video. No, this is the statement. This is where we bind params. Statement by param. Start result. One. PDO. Okay, this is fine. The second one, we got statement by param again. Number 2. Okay. And that's how we say if search. Statement by param, search by param 3. We execute our statement and we say the account statement fetch all PDO, fetch association. Okay, let's see how come we got this error message right here. I think everything's supposed to be fine. Let's see what we get. Where we have to this error message, we have to fix those. And next, what I'm going to do is to remember I told you before, guys, we want to set because we work with, let me show you. If you scroll down on line 33 for me, we use we bind we bind all the parameters right here. That's why I use a param 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the first one is for integer, the second one in the integer, that's the start result, the number of result of, and then the third one is for search, and then after that we execute the statement. Next, what I'm going to do, remember I told you for the we have to set inside the account page, when you create the account, how many pages you want to set. Also, I'm going to param 1, I can set it to pagination page. Param 2, I can set it for the result, as we have result right here. And then param 3, we can set it with a search, as I mentioned right here, because I said if search statement by param search right here. And here, let's add those code to see if we can fix the error message that we've got here. Let's go on after order. Okay, after this block of code, order by colon right here. Let's set, I'm going to say set our result per page. Okay, let's go right here. The first thing, I'm going to say result per page equal 20. Okay, result per page equal 20. I'm going to make this bigger. All right. Now the second thing I want to do is to declare. I'm going to declare all my query parameter variables. I'm going to say declare query param variable. Okay, this is how I'm going to declare them. Remember I showed you we have param1. I'm going to copy the first one and scroll up. Where am I? Right here, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, equal. This is where I'm going to create the my pagination page. How I created my pagination, first one -1, and then I have to time the to the result per page like this, and then paste this guy and put 2 instead of 1. And remember I said param2, I'm going to associate it with result per page. Okay, here result per page like this, and then param3, put 3 right here. I'm going to as a percent search like this. Okay, I'm going to associate this one with search. Okay, all right, now we can insert the block of code right here. Now what I'm going to do, we can go ahead and save everything and go back to our browser, refresh it. Now it said undefined variable here, line 17, and result per page, and line 18. Line 17 right here, and line 18. These two they say undefined. Now we have to define these two. Okay, let's go and because result per page. Oh, okay, I got results. Okay, that's why it doesn't say it. Okay, on line 15 for me, because we said each page want to get 20. We can get 7, 15, 10 result. Okay, for the account, but we put 20. Okay, that's why we should put results, not result. Okay, and save everything. Let's go back. We should remove this one, I guess. Okay, but still now we go back to inside of admin dashboard, but we got an undefined result per page on line 17. On line 17 we have result. Remember we have to put s, okay, and save result. Go back, refresh. Okay, we refresh now because now we got an undefined variable. This is the variable pagination page. We not define it yet. Let's go ahead and define this one. Let's scroll up and define it on top of search, on top of the search bar. I'm going to define this, and this is where I'm going to define it. We have to retrieve all the get. We have get search, retrieve them. Okay, retrieve the get request that we will get for to search that parameters like this. Okay, to do so we got it right here. I can copy this, copy, and paste it here. I'm going to say equal. Okay, now get Okay. Okay. One. Now set that this is the first page, which is page 1. Okay. Colon 1. Semicolon. Now we define it. File, save everything, and now let's go back and refresh our page. Okay, as you can see, everything's fine now. Back to normal. Okay, we have the word account now. Now you can see when you click on account, now you got sub. Remember I said that before. We got sub, view account. We got it from main.php, view account, create account, because we don't have account without s yet. Okay, but so far we got the link. Okay, and when you click on the link, that will direct you to the account without s.php. We do not create it. And then with the search bar, we have to move the search bar on this side to the right, upper right here. And the search bar, if we click here, look, you can do it the easiest way. As you can see, if I go here for the search bar and I go here, and we find it inside a main content header. Okay, content header form right here, and we can go CSS. Let's say this is a, let's see, CSS admin.css. Let's see, line 402. Let's go back, open admin.css and check line 402 to see if we are right. Line 402. Okay, and let's see. We're not, don't have to go straight up, but we need, okay, it's inside of content. If I go Control F, I'm looking for content, yeah, header. Okay, and okay, now we got a lot. We have 22 result. We have to move the search. Let's see. Looking for. I'm looking for. Let me go back again and do this. Spec element. Okay, click here. Okay, now we have main.content header. I'm going to copy and look for, go back to our code, admin.css. I'm going to paste it, and let's see, we have 22 matches. Oops. I'm going to search for number 2. Okay, now, okay guys, here we have main.content header, main.content header, main.content header here, and here we have justify items. Okay, I want you to remove justify items. Remove it. Let me make this bigger. Justify content, instead of, it's supposed to be justify content. Okay, not items. It's supposed to be justify content, like this. All right, this tool, main.content form, main.content header, main.content form. This 2 block of code, we have justify items, we have to remove, put justify content. Okay, now go ahead, save everything, go back to our browser, refresh it. Nothing. let me go and clear. Okay. Okay, now as you can see, we move it on this side. Okay. All right, we have the title, we have the link, and we have the search. Now, now we'll this is where I'm going to stop for part 14 because we're already over 1 hour, and because we will create the pagination page right here, page number 1, and we have to create the next the next tutorial. What we will do, we will create the table. Okay. Also, we'll create the table. We have to get the table will for the action and so on. The table that hold all our data. Okay. Also, we create a page 1, page 2, page 2. We will not see yet, but we will work on it. Also, we'll create the pagination okay, in the next tutorial. And this is where we are going to stop for part 14. And I'm glad that you learned something, guys. Okay, and this is our output. We got this. If you click here, we will need to create an account at PHP. So far we got search here. Also we have view account, create account, okay, and so on. All right, see you in the next one, guys. See you. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, comment any error message, let me know. We'll glad to assist you. Okay, see you in the next one for part 15. All right, bye bye.